All right, so today we have to, or we get to, imitate our sentence. And I think I came up with a good one. It's about my dog, Zygarde. Yes, my animals are named after Pokemon. And I wrote, Zygarde is snuggly like a teddy bear, comma, but his breath is rotten as a dead fish. Got some stinky breath. So, snuggly like a teddy bear, that's a simile because I use the word like to compare my dog to the teddy bear. And then I use the word as to compare his breath to dead fish. So I use two similes just like our author. All right, so yeah, I want you to try to come up with your own sentence that has one, maybe two similes if you can do it, and then type it for me so I can check it out.